Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here finishing up our project in Independence, Missouri. This is a cinder block wall that was leaning inward, and using our King Piers methodology of straightening walls back to vertical, we used our angle iron 6x6s and bottle jacks. All down the stretch of the wall, we were able to get the wall pushed back, our 6 steel H-beam wall braces in place, and as you can see, the bottom ends are 4 inches below the floor, right on top of the footing. The upper ends halfway through the past the height of the floor joist, and we have extended how we secure those into the this stretch between the floor joists here. So we always like to point out everything we do is engineering sound. So we do not bolt from the bottom ends of these floor joists. We do everything from the side. That's going to ensure that the floor joist does not split. We do see a lot of other companies that do wall bracing, and they will bolt from that bottom end of the joist, and that will eventually over time likely cause that joist to split. And we are here to repair the home, not damage it. So yeah, we're just getting everything cleaned up now. We're going to be doing the backfill here later this morning to wrap everything up, but overall we got this job knocked out this week and moving on to the next. So King Piers out here in Independence, Missouri. If you have any kind of foundation issues yourself, whether it's a leaning foundation wall or your footing has failed, sunk, even stuff like drainage around your house or inside, if it can be done in or around the foundation, we likely have a video of it showing our methodology, and you can check those out on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.